So this is the house, obviously, same as in the pictures. You walk down here to the shop. It's looks like kind of a project in the making here. I mean, no transformer here, but yeah, like there was something here and it got displaced by this building, but it's still kind of like a door in the middle of nowhere. So I'm just gonna walk into the shop if it's unlocked. Okay. Lights on. So we have outlets. There's the door openers on the wall. He's got the garage door openers plugged in there. So I'm gonna have to figure that out because that's not gonna stand. I'm trying to figure out how tall this shop actually is. It's quite tall. It's got this board on the bottom, which I'm not a huge fan of, but whatever. He's got quite a few outlets down the side. There's the heater, which I hope is big enough so you can see it's vaulted over on this side. So if I put an upstairs, you know, above these windows pretty far, I mean, there's a ton of space up there. So I could have a kind of an overlook into the shop from up there. So it's huge. This is just half finished. It's like whatever, log, and then nothing. It's just plastic. So obviously he didn't finish it. He was getting started and just never finished. So, or he was gonna finish the upper level, which he had planned on doing, and so he left that because of it. So this is power, because he was going to put a bar in here, so I have power in the middle of the floor. As far as I can tell, I do not have any drains anywhere. Do have a thermostat. And we've got some outlets down here, probably for some heavier stuff later. But I do not see any drains or any plumbing at all. So that'll be something to add, I guess, at some point. Walk to the outside, but I mean, golly, look at this. There's like space for days. I mean, you can see the four-wheeler, and that's the ceiling. I mean, holy crap. I can fit a semi-truck in here. There is no doubt in my mind. No doubt at all. So, anyway. So, at the front of the shop, the two doors, he's got these heavy posts so you don't back a truck into your shop. This looks like he's got some gravel, but it's not gonna be great in the long term. You can see it's already been washing down onto the concrete here, so I'll have to do something about that. There's my neighbors over there. lamppost. Call it the lamppost of Narnia. Get rid of these trees here. I think he was going to have some sort of a patio out here for entertaining or whatnot. You know very well that's going to go away for me. But there's a door over here, so that's nice. Yeah, so that's what the deal is. And the house is right up there. So